Do you want to become an outstanding masseur? I will be happy to accompany you on this path. I am Ulf Pape from Germany. I have been teaching massage and physiotherapy for almost 30 years. If you want to stay up to date, subscribe to this channel. Today, I'll show you treatment techniques for the shoulder in the lateral position. And now let's get started. You place your leg in maximum flexion on the bench so that it forms a backrest for the client. The client's head rests on her own hand when it is comfortable to do so. You start with a traction pull on the client's shoulder, elbow, and wrist. Then combine the traction pull with the stroking massage of the arm. Position the arm so that the bent side is turned upwards. Clamp her arm under yours. Slip your forearm through the client's arm until it is just before her armpit. Place your other hand on the top of her shoulder. By moving your upper body smoothly in a cranial and caudal direction, you then move her shoulder blade up and down in an almost circular motion. In the next maneuver, massage the trapezius muscle past descendants in the flow of movement. Now grasp your own wrist and use a strong traction pull in the shoulder joint. So much for this short tutorial. Practice the sequence up to this point. Of course, there are many other possibilities for treatment refinements. I will show you these later, so subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. Thank you for your attention.